Liquid Customs is a Canadian-based company. We are the longest standing and the largest hydrographic processor in Canada. Hydrographics is the process of transferring ink to a freshly painted object via water. So the process of hydrographics is you're going to start with the object by cleaning it, you're going to prep it, you're going to prime the object, you're then going to paint it, you pick your pattern, and then once it's painted you dip it, and after it's dipped you're going to clear coat it with automotive finish. There's lots of patterns to pick from with Hydrographics. We make our own patterns as well. The limits are absolutely endless. Getting started in Hydrographics is very simple. Liquid Customs supplies everything. We are a distributor, a wholesaler. We have everything from the sandpaper that you're going to use all the way to the paint that you're going to be spraying. We sell the tanks as well. We custom built them. They are Canadian built here in Edmonton, Alberta. The tanks are CSA approved. We're very proud of that. So once you buy the equipment from Liquid Customs, we offer an exclusive 5-day training right here in Edmonton at headquarters. We cover all details, everything from settings of your guns, products we use, angles, how to dip. There's a lot of variables, and that 5 days is invaluable to making a successful business start. Liquid Customs has 2 packages to offer. We have one for the startup person, and we have one for the business owner. When you buy a dealership package with Liquid Customs, there's many things that you're actually getting with it. The major thing is that you're getting it listed on our website. After that, you get continuous support, and as you grow, we grow with you, and we're right behind you every step of the way. Liquid Customs offers a very low cost turnkey business. Many people are searching for amazing, fun, unique business. Hydrographics is growing, it's booming. There's so many open cities, markets to take control of right now, and we are looking for processors to take their cities and become very successful business owners.